Hello guys, this is Mohak and welcome back to my channel. And this is our JavaScript course, and in this course I will be teaching you all of JavaScript that you need to know in order to work with React or Node.js or anything. And in this video I'm going to show you the tools, the IDs, everything that you need to set up on your computer in order to move on with this course. Okay, so first we'll go to Google and download Visual Studio Code. So on just Google, just type VS Code and you can find the official link here. Just download the Windows one, or if you are on Linux, just download that one, or if you are on Mac, download the Mac one. So you can see it has started downloading. I have already set it up, so here it is. I have already installed it. It's pretty easy to install. Okay, so now you need to install a few extensions. They are not necessary, but I would suggest to install them. They're quite good. So here is the extension tab. You can click on it and you can search for the extensions here. First will be a live server. So what does it do is, so whenever you save a file or you have to reload, whenever you save a file and you have to go back to browser and then reload there and check the changes you have made. So this does everything for you. You don't have to do that every time. You just have to hit save, and then when you go back to your browser, it will already be reloaded. So just click install. It's easy, and it might take some time. So yeah, it's installed now. The second one is Prettier. Sorry, I misspelled it there. Okay, sorry. So here, so this extension will format your code, like all the tabs, spaces, lines, everything that you need to do, it will automatically do for you. So just click install and it will get installed. The third one will be IntelliJ key bindings. Just type IntelliJ. And what is IntelliJ? IntelliJ is a IDE of JetBrains. So it has pretty good key bindings, shortcuts. So I would suggest you to install it. So they come handy when you are writing code, copy, paste. There are many key extensions. So just install it. And the fourth one will be, it's optional, but I use it. It's called Material Icons. So it will change the icon of your files. Like if I make a file here, or if I just open any project. So let me just open a project like, okay, if I open this project, then you can see, like you are seeing, like SRC has some different type of icon, public has different type of icon, and like JS file has such a pretty JavaScript icon, CSS has a pretty good icon. So it's only that, nothing fancy. And yeah, so if you don't want to use Visual Studio Code, you can use Sublime Text. It's free. Or you can use Atom, or you can use brackets. It's up to you. But I'll suggest you to use Visual Studio Code because it's easy and it does the job well. So okay, that's it guys. We'll meet you in the next video.